Tutorial number one: how to post content in the creator's code space. And how does it work? Both the app and the website version look similar. When you enter, you will have a home page where you have the featured and the most recent posts. There's also the Discovery tab where you will find top posts such as the Sticker Design Challenge, a fundraising activity for a school, a travel blog, fashion tips. You will also see the members near you and the different topics that have been suggested. Remember, if you have new topics to suggest, comment below this tutorial. There is a tab to invite other people, and there are also topics like everyone is an artist, languages, my hidden superpower. Remember, if you want to suggest topics, write a comment under this tutorial. When you get into a topic, you will see different posts. If you want to create your own, click on the plus sign. You can write a quick post, an article, question or poll, or event under the same topic. Look at William. William is sharing with us his experiences traveling to different countries. If you want to join the conversation, click here. And if you like the post, click here. You can also reply to posts using different types of media. For example, photos, videos, embedded links, and attachments. So let's look at how replying with a video looks like. So it opens up a box. You can write whatever you like, paste the video, and then click on comment. Last but not least, there's a chat in the creator's code space, and you can see who is online now. And feel free to post anytime you want.